Hello friends, in this video we learned container and container fluid in Bootstrap. So what is container in Bootstrap? Container is the class in Bootstrap of div tag, and if we give any bg color to the div tag which have class container, then the output will be like this. See here that before and after the div tag there is some gap. Note this point. And then the coding I have done is this: first HTML tag, then head tag, then title tag, then link tag, and inside link tag I had linked my Bootstrap file, and you can get this file from getbootstrap.com. There will be one download button, you have to download it, and then you have to place this file in your folder in which you type your HTML coding. And then I have closed the head tag, then body tag started, and inside body tag there is div tag, and the class I have given is container. And bg warning is for giving one bg color, background color, and here's text center, so the text will be in center, and here I typed hello. So that's why the output is like this. Means if we type class container, then there will be before and after of the div tag there will be gap. And then what is container fluid in Bootstrap? Container fluid is the class in Bootstrap of the div tag, and if we give any bg color to the div tag which have class container fluid, then the output will be like this. So this will be the output of this coding. This is the coding which I typed for making this output. Here is HTML tag. This is almost same, but here is container, then dash, then fluid, and here's the same text, and it will come like this. So what is the difference between these two outputs? This is the output A in which we give class container, and this is the output B in which we give class container fluid. So the difference is that in A output there is some gap after and before the div, but in B output there is no gap before and after the div. See here. And why it is like this? Because we type class container in output A, and in output B we type class container fluid. That's why the output is different. So friends, let's start coding. So now friends, let's type div tag here and hit enter. But remember that if you don't link your Bootstrap file with your coding, then it will not work. See here, I don't link the file, so let's link the file. Here you can see that is my Bootstrap file, so we have to link that file with our HTML file. This is the file which you have to use, bootstrap.min.css, and then here give class, and the class you have to give is container. Do not change this class into container. You have to type a container, then fluid, and then I want a bg warning, means the background color I want of warning, and then we have to type here text, then center, so that text will be in center. Now here we have to type some text like hello, see my table. Let's close this. Now see, this is the output, but I want my text bigger, so type here h1 tag like this, and now see, so it is looking beautiful. Now what we have to do is to create a new div here, and the class of this div we have to give is container. Do not give any bg color to this div. Now inside this div we have to create one more div. So for making a beautiful table by not using table tag, we have to type here two more classes that are row and column class. Like in table tag, we have to type tr for table row, and there we do not have to type column, but here if we type class then row, then this div will be a row. Do not give bg color to this two divs. Now inside this second div we have to type two more divs and name this div as the class, means give the class to this three divs of column. Let's type here bg. There are fixed bg colors. So if you want another colors, then you have to type a style, inline style, then you have to type a background color, then you can type any color which you want, like dark red. It is very beautiful. So here I will type some city names like London, or we can type here country names like U.S.A, means USA. And then let's copy this 2 times and then type the different color here, and the color I want is tape pink. It looks very beautiful, that's why I choose this color. And after deeping I want any other beautiful color like this one, dark magenta. And change these country names into another country names like England, and then we can type here India or Australia. We can type here any country name. Now see how it is. So this is not looking very beautiful. So if we want to change our text color into white, then what we have to do is to type in class type text, then dash, then white. Now see, this text color is white. So if we type like text then dash then white, then it will be like this. So if you type here text then warning, then the color will be yellow. Now see one more time. So it is looking very beautiful. Let's copy and now see friends, here in this three divs are inside this div, and the class of this div is row, and the row div is inside the div which have class containers. That's why here is some gap. So if we type here width, and the width if we give here 300 pixel, only 300 pixel, or we have to give here 200 pixel is alright. And then copy this, paste it into another style, inline CSS, and then see. There will be not like this. We have to type style and width, then 600 pixel. Why I give here 600 pixel? Because if we plus 200 then the answer will be 600 pixel. So this will come like this, but I don't like this very much. I type this coding so that you can know that how can we do this type of things. Now let's you have to type your text center and copy this in other divs also. And then let's copy and paste this here. I want this in h4 tag, then it will look more beautiful. Then here also now see how it will come. Don't IBR, that's why. And now see. So see that how it is. So friends, our today's all topic are finished. Thanks for watching. Bye bye friends.